Today, smartphones are a big part of our daily lives, and one really interesting way we can use them is for designing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design a speaker crossover using a simple Android app. Hi, and welcome back to my channel. The app we're using is called Crossover Designer. If you know a similar app for iPhone, let me know in the comments. I'd love to check it out. Once you install the app, you'll see a screen that looks like this. These are the different crossover orders. The higher the order, the stronger the filtering effect. For example, I'll select a 12 decibels per octave slope. Next, you just need to set the cutoff frequency and the speaker impedance. Let's try 1000 Hz and 8 ohms. The crossover is ready, but here's the problem. If we take these same values and enter them into a PC software like VituixCAD, we'll notice a big bump around the cutoff frequency. This bump you see here can actually cause distortion in practice. To fix this, the solution is simple. You need to use the same crossover values for both the woofer and the tweeter. After correction, the bump is reduced to a small, standard level that doesn't affect the sound quality. This way, the frequency response will stay smooth, without that unwanted peak. And finally, let me point out the most important part of this app. All calculations are accurate only when the load on the crossover is pure omniresistance. Given that in addition to the resistance, the speaker also has an imaginary inductive component of impedance. It is necessary to eliminate the effect of the same. For that purpose, use impedance match tool. You need impedance matching to make the driver act more like an omniresistance load. I've already explained how to achieve this in my previous videos, so make sure to check those out if you haven't seen them yet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.